The algorithms I'm about to show you are not ideal for speed, but rather simplified for those who are too lazy to learn the standard way or are just starting out switching from beginner's method to CFOP. Before we start, there are two triggers you need to know, and that is sexy move and reverse sexy move. So sexy goes like this, and reverse sexy goes like this. This case looks like a bow. You hold it like this and you do this move and then sexy, undo the move and then reverse sexy. This one has like these two sticking out. So you do sexy, then you do this move, reverse sexy, and you undo the move. Okay. This one has the headlights here and the corners sticking out like on the right. So you do this, sexy, undo this, then F, sexy, undo. Okay, so headlights and headlights. You put them in the front and the back. You do this, then sexy 3 times. And then undo. Okay, this fish pattern, you take the side that has the white facing you, so not this here, and because it's on the right, you're gonna take out the right pair like this, then you're gonna put it here, you're gonna lift this up and put the pair in here. If the corner with the white facing you is on the left, then you do the same thing but on the left. So take out this corner, put it there, lift this up, and insert. For the one with the headlights and everything else is solved, then you put the headlights in the front and you do the algorithm for a fish pattern. So it goes like this. And then you'll get the other one.